Hi everybody, it is TheZen2580 and I did a haul from Sephora.com as well as UrbanDecay.com. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do this as quickly as I can. One of the first things that I got from Sephora, we will start with Sephora first, as I got this really cute little travel makeup brush set right here, and it's hot pink, and it comes with 4 cute brushes in it. You get a this could be a concealer, a large concealer brush, or it could be a large, eyeshadow blending brush. You get a lip brush right here. Cute little lip brush with the little hot pink handles on them that say Sephora. You get a foundation brush in this, which is a really good size. And then you get an all-over face brush right here, or blush brush, which is really cute because these are so handy, to keep in your handbag when you're on the go just for touch-ups, instead of carrying, your huge, cosmetic brushes with you. This is so cute, and this was on sale for $15 at Sephora.com. The next thing that I got, and I took one of them out of the box. The box looks like this, and it was $56, and it's a limited edition, and it is the Lorac Bejeweled jewelry box, the day and night jewelry box, and it is got this beautiful, just like brocade, what do you call it? Oh my goodness, I'm going blank. Lace on it with silver glitter everywhere. So you open the top up, and it's got this beautiful mirror that says Lorac on it, and then you get this very huge bronzer, and then these 2 full-sized lip glosses that are very shimmery and pretty. And these 3 pieces alone, if you were to purchase those, because Lorac is very expensive, and I normally don't buy a whole lot of Lorac, but I love it. But that would, easily be over 56 bucks. And so the first drawer that you open, it looks like this with an eyeliner. It comes with a dark brown eyeliner, and I'm going to show it to you right here. And these eyeliners is a full size. These are so creamy and so pigmented. I mean, you just barely have to put it on, put it when you put it on. So this is going to be the day eyeshadow book in the first drawer, and it's real silvery and glittered out. And I've already swatched this one, but I have a brand new one that I have not swatched yet. So you get a mirror, of course, and it says Day Palette on it. And it has this gorgeous blush at the very top, and then 16 beautiful eyeshadows, and they're all shimmers. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. There's a navy blue, there's like a dark green, there's a like a burgundy, and then golds, and all these champagne colors, just really pretty, and browns. So that is in the first drawer, and these are very silky eyeshadows, and very nice. And then the second drawer is the nighttime look drawer, and this is the black Lorac eyeliner that goes for the nighttime. And the palette, the night palette, it's like this, and you open it up, and it says Lorac Night Palette, and it's got a darker pink blush at the top, and then it's got 16 beautiful dark colors. There's a really intense dark green, a beautiful dark navy blue, really dark browns. There's a gorgeous dark brown with gold glitter in it, a purple, another like burgundy color, a gold. And then the others, they're not really wanting to show up, but they're like champagnes and then like pastels. Like there's a shimmer white, a silver, a very light taupe, a light lilac purple, a shimmer cream color, and then a gold, and then a darker taupe. Just absolutely beautiful. And I've already swatched these, and they are awesome. I highly suggest this. It's $56 each. They are limited edition, probably just because of the holidays and things like that. And it's kind of reminds me of the Tarte Starlet that I own. I have 3 of those. And I actually gave one away in a swap with Heavenly Sensations, and she really loves that. So this is the Lorac version, which is different, and I really like it. I think the eyeshadows are beautiful. The big, huge bronzer you get, and the 2 full-size, lip glosses are, I mean, this is a great deal for $56. And this is the other brand new one that I got. And there's like kind of it shows a girl wearing, you know. And then here's the back. So it shows every single thing that you get in it right there. So $56, Sephora.com. Then I also got this, and this is Ultra Flesh is the brand, and these are the Perfect Pinks. And these were $39, and I wanted, you know, some pink. I love pink lipsticks. And so these are minis. They're very good size, though, so that you're not committed to just buying, you know, just one and then you end up not liking it. And I'm going to show you the colors because they are gorgeous. Here is the first one. And this is a pretty large, you know, mini size. And it's just this beautiful cream hot pink. Absolutely gorgeous. The next one you get is another hot pink. And it has no shimmer. It's just a beautiful cream. Then you get the third one is a gorgeous coral right there. Absolutely gorgeous. The fourth one is another coral, but it's a little bit darker right here. Then you get a fifth one, and this one is really, really pretty. It's like a dusty rose pink. Love it. This reminds me of one of my lip glosses that I have from Tarte, actually. And then you get another pink right here. That's really, really pretty, like a nudie pink color. And they had it, you know, in the reds, and they also had a berry color, and I think nudes as well. But I got the pinks, and it's by a brand called Ultra Flesh right there. And then I got some perfume, and I got the brand new Betsey Johnson Tutu Eau de Parfum right here. Comes in this box. I got the 1 ounce. And I had never smelled this one before, but I heard rave reviews about it, so I went ahead and took the risk and purchased it, and I'm so glad that I did. This is the bottle right here. It's so cute because she's got like a corset. She's got the tattoo, lightning bolt tattoo, this cute little pink tutu with black sequins on it, and then like fishnet tights. So adorable. And then you just lift the top off like that, and this is a beautiful scent for all year around. It's very, very floral and fruity. And it's sweet, but not too sweet, because I normally don't like real sweet perfumes. But this is a sweet perfume, but at the same time, the floral, you know, neutralizes that. And it's just amazing. And so this is Betsey Johnson Tutu. Then, let me go ahead and put that up. Oops, I'm going to put this away. Then I got a Hello Kitty hairbrush right here because I have, you know, the silver brush holder, I have the mirror, the big handheld mirror, the compact mirror, and then even the eyeshadow set. So this is the hairbrush right here. So adorable. There it is right there. So now all I have to get is the comb, and the comb is actually on sale for $12, but they were out of it when I did this shopping haul. So I'm going to get the comb, and then I'll have the complete set to decorate in my bathroom with. And then I got another perfume set, and this is like, you know, I got Flower Bomb, and then, you know, I had gotten Burberry Body, because those are like the it, you know, scents right now. Well, there's a new it scent right now, and it's by Bulgari, and it's got the Mon Jasmine Noir and the Jasmine Noir in it. So it's got a heavy, like, fall-winter scent, as well as a spring and summer scent in it. And here's the back. These are what the bottles look like right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show it to you. The first one is the Jasmine Noir, and it looks like this. This is going to be like your spring summer scent, and it's a very light scent, or not light, it's medium scent, and it's very, very floral, lots of white flowers, gardenia, and of course jasmine, which I absolutely love. This is a 0.80 ounce, so it's almost a full ounce. Actually, it's 0.84 fluid ounces, so it's almost a full ounce. And it's a duo, because the brand new one that really just hit the shelves that everybody's going nuts over is this one right here, and this is the Mon Brown Jasmine Noir. And this is a very, very heavy winter and fall scent right here. And it is a floral, but it also has, and it's got, the, of course, the very distinct jasmine scent in it, but it's a lot heavier. And I would never wear this in the spring or summer. It's just too heavy. But for fall and winter, it is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, and I highly suggest this. And it's kind of got a little bit of like musk in it, and it is just so yummy and so just such a beautiful scent. And then it even comes with a little pouch, Bulgari pouch, so that, you know, if you're carrying it in your handbag or something, you just put it in there. And so it looks like this right here. And I believe I paid somewhere either 70 or 80 for this. I honestly cannot remember. I was just really excited to get it. And so it looks like this. And I highly suggest this to everybody. And then I got, let me make sure I got everything. Oh, and then they had, with each transaction, if you spent over $25, you got your choice of a Hello Kitty makeup bag, a Kat Von D, or a Tokidoki makeup bag filled with 12 samples. And so here is the bag that I chose. Of course, I got the Hello Kitty. It's got silver Hello Kitty heads all over this side, and then one real big one on this side, and it's even got the cute little bow zipper pull right here. And it is just filled with samples. And I'm going to show you, because this is what the bag looks like empty right here. It is so cute. I almost got the Tokidoki and a Hello Kitty, but I had to get 2 Hello Kitty ones. And I'm going to show you what comes in it. So you actually get a sample of the Pure by DKNY Eau de Parfum. You also get this 3-piece by Ole Henriksen, 3 Little Wonders, and it's the Truth Serum, Invigorating Night Gel, and Sheer Transformation Moisturizer. Get that. It's a pretty nice sample. You also get the Lady Million by Paco Rabanne Eau de Parfum, and it comes in this. There's the back. You also get the Benefit Hoola Bronzer right here, and it looks like that. You also get the Body Shop Shea Body Butter right here, cream for your body. You also get a sample of the Michael Kors Gold, brand new, just came out, Eau de Parfum. Looks like that. You also get this by Perfect, and it's the Skin Perfection Gel, and it's the color Radiant. Right here's the sample, and if you were to buy the bottle, it looks like that. Can't wait to try that. You get the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts All Skin Types Exfoliant for your face right here. You also get the Derm Doctor Wrinkle Revenge Rescue and Protect Eye Balm right here. You also get the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer in the color Medium Beige. Can't wait to try this. And let me make sure that is everything that comes. Oh, and then you also get the Clean Ultimate Eau de Parfum sample right here. Right there. And I believe that is, oh, you also get this by Josie Moran. It's the Argan Matchmaker Serum Foundation right here. And it's in 2 different colors. There is light medium, and there is medium dark, and these are self-adjusting shades by Josie Moran. It's the Argan Matchmaker Serum Foundation. I cannot wait to try this, because I have a feeling if I really, really like it, I'm definitely going to be purchasing this foundation. And then, of course, you know, I used a couple, like 200 of my beauty points, and I got the Sephora Ultra Smoothing Primer. I got 2 of those, and they're a really good size. They are 0.27 ounces, but there's quite a bit in here, and these are going to last me for a while. And then I also got 2 of the Narciso Rodriguez for her Eau de Toilettes right here in these pink boxes. One of them kind of got bent up. I got 2 of the Juicy Couture Eau de Parfums, and they look like that. I also got 2 of the Versace, or Versus by Versace samples, and they look like this. So I can try these out and see if I want to purchase them. And I believe that is it for my Sephora haul. Now to my Urban Decay haul that I did. It's not too exciting, but I went to the clearance section. You guys know I love the clearance section. And so here's the box that it came in. And I purchased 6 of, because these are 2 new items that just hit their clearance section. These are the Urban Decay Clean and Sober Oil-Free Makeup Remover Gels. And they're very large, as you can see. I bought 6 of these. And oh my goodness. I mean, look at it. You can see it moving around in there. It's just a really nice gel. And it's got the mermaid on it right there by Urban Decay. And each one of these are 3.4 fluid ounces. So there's a lot of product in that. I got 6 of these, you guys. And they were on sale. And then, I'm not going to pull every single one out though, because it's self-explanatory. And then I got 6 of these, and these are the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Transforming Potions right here, and they're full size. These were also on sale, and basically it looks like that. I will take it out of the box, but it does say transform any eyeshadow to a liquid liner or liquid shadow with our double-ended magic wand. Dip a brush packed with potion onto your favorite shadow to create rich, smudge-proof color. Use the thin brush for precision lining, or the larger brush to sweep across your entire lid. So you basically just dip the larger bristled brush over your eyeshadow and just put it all over your lid, and it gives you just like a beautiful glistening eyeshadow. And then, or you can use the finer point tip brush and use your eyeshadow as a liquid liner, and you can use any color eyeshadow, which I think is really, really cool. And it's of course a full size, and it looks like this. And the small brush is very, very narrow, as you can see, and this is the potion in here. And then the larger brush for your entire lid looks like this. And so I got 6 of those from the clearance. So I suggest you guys go to Urban Decay and pick up some of these, because it's a really good deal. These are $2 a piece, and the makeup gel remover is $3 a bottle, you guys. They're not going to last. As well as, you know, the Lorac Bejeweled Day and Night Kit. I love it. These beautiful pink lipsticks by Ultra Flesh. Love those. And of course, I love the Betsey Johnson perfume. I love the Bulgari perfume that I got. The Hello Kitty bags, you know, that were like a limited time with all the samples in it. And the little Sephora brushes. Absolutely love them. So that was my Sephora and Urban Decay haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.